water, flowing in the depths of silence, taking forms of every kind. Have you ever heard the roars of flowing water? Have you experienced the stream of crystal clear water? Come to Dang, the land of waterfalls, where monsoons are marked by racing streams, and Gujarat's tallest, Girmal Falls, thunders down with a 110 feet fall. The gush of waterfall seems like an artist's creation. The Shivaghat waterfalls that soak you in divine love. Come to revel in the symphonies of flowing streams, to drench everyone and get drenched. Come, click and capture the splendor of nature. Come back to life. Come to Gujarat.